everyone. Hi, Sir Rico.
Hello, Miss Grace. Nice to hear your voice again. Wow.
Of course, I missed you all actually. I would like to take this opportunity to share my story. I'm Grace Mercedes. I'm from Baguio City, and I started taking Fountain of Life last May 2019. During that time, I was actually advocate of health and wellness and natural remedies. But then again, kahit na sometimes you're believer with naturals, nasusubok pa rin yung ating health, no? Yung meron pa rin tayong what we call this health concerns. So since 2009, I've noticed that my lymph node underneath my jaw sa right side is inflamed, and I've seek several doctors kung anong advice nila, ENT, cardiologist, even sa lungs. Talagang wala silang ma-find out. I've taken several antibiotics for weeks and months. Hindi pa rin nawala inflammation. So until sabi ko, since hindi naman siya lumalaki, I just continued taking natural supplements, but then still there. Until I took Fountain of Life, 5 drops a day. Nagtitipid pa kami noon kasi isang bote lang kami for the whole family, wala pang FOL talagang on hand. But then talagang after 2 weeks I felt kasi ano po siya, matigas na node, sinlaki siya ng thumb ko, and it's not moving. So kumbaga nandun lang siya. So I've noticed even my kids and even my husband Joey, lagi niyang pinifeel din. So sabi ko after 2 weeks lumambot na siya. And now it's all totally gone. It's no longer inflamed. And also really take ko na rin ang opportunity to praise and thank the Lord because FOL has been very blessed, being talagang blessing sa family. RTJ was a frontliner. He's been on duty for the past months, halos every day, 12 hours a day, because most of his colleagues sa office niya, mga medtech na kasama niya, were quarantined because of pagiging positive nila sa COVID. I praise and thank the Lord that up to now, our frontliner TJ is still up and about, negative with all the, naka-6 na siya na swab test ever since. And talagang fountain of life lang talaga ang panlaban niya, pangpalakas niya kanyang resistensya. And lastly, gusto ko lang basahin ang isang nakaka-overwhelmed na na text sa akin ng isang user. Sabi niya gano'n, hindi na daw niya alam kung paano pa siya mabubuhay without FOL because she's actually isang mataas ang position niya sa corporate din in Ortigas. Actually, isa call center na international ang handle nila. And most of his mga katabi sa opisina, I mean, because siya si Ma'am Beth, nag-positive na 9 of them. But siya lang na number one diabetic, hypertensive, madaming health issues, mataas ang cholesterol and everything niya. Sabi ng doctor, sila yung talagang prone sa sa COVID. But then siya lang ang kaisa-isang hindi nag-positive among all. So ang pinaka-unique lang na nangyari sa kanya because she was the only one taking FOL among all office mates, and now she's really happily sharing FOL to the office mates. So with all these things that we've encountered, ang FOL kasi it's not a cure, it's not a medicine, but it's if you are believer of prevention is better than cure, then you are in the right company, you are in the right presentation right now. Because sabi ko nga, all our experiences, what teaches us a valuable lesson. So what is that? Is right now, health for everybody is the best and best asset that we have. Actually, it's no longer the money, it's no longer the property, but if you're healthy, you're wealthy right now. So I encourage all our audience, all our participants here na first time po nilang narinig, and if ever you're already taking it, talagang i-share nyo po. Go out and share the good news because we are not really saying na this is a cure because we've seen tremendous stories of Fountain of Life for the past more than a year, almost magto 2 years na kami dito. And every day ina-amaze talaga kami how FOL is working. Lastly, Sir Rico, sorry, maximize ko na. We have one church church mate in Angeles City actually, na very skeptical. Talagang no, yung pagka natural, ay kalokohan yan, waste of money. Alam niyo po, nag-message yung wife niya after mga August, yung husband pala niya na friend namin, blind na because of diabetes. And then sabi niya, totoo bang nakakatulong sa diabetic person ang FOL? So, in short, they purchased, nakaka 3 bottles na sila. Alam niyo po, after 2 weeks, kasi nabulag na siya because of diabetes, nakakapag-drive na after 2 weeks. So
Wow.
it's really amazing. I don't know how. I don't know
Mm.
the process inside the body of the person, but the bottom line is it works, and it's really a God-given gift to all of us. So let's take it and share it. So pass it on. Thank you and good night. Good evening to everyone.
Wow, wow. Thank you so much, Ma'am Grace. And I love to hear this kind of stories. I know marami ka pa mga stories na hindi pa na-mention, no? All the in the past year, it seems like parang more than 5 years na dito ang FOL sa dami ng mga stories na naririnig po natin. But nonetheless, thank you so much, Ma'am Grace, for those amazing stories about, how people have been helped with this wonderful product. But of course, glory to God for all these wonderful testimonials. Thank you so much. No? So all the way from Baguio City, that's Mom Grace Mercedes. Ayan, all right?